A CNU Vision. By 2027, a CNU globally recognized educational institution as an agile and technologically proof a smart campus. CNU mission, developing graduates equipped with world-class competencies and imbued with positive values for them to be a future-proof, ready and become a great leaders, professionals, stewards, and their chosen vocation and society, amidst destructive, volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous divergent conditions. CNU values: commitment to excellence, social sensitivity, honesty and integrity, flexibility and adaptability, inclusiveness, knowledge generation driven. Cebu Normal University commits to deliver excellence in instruction, preserve an extension service for global competitiveness to meet increasing levels of customers' demand and delight, statutory, regulatory, and international standards through continuous quality improvements, transparency, and good governance. Toward this end, university goals and aspirations are aligned to the institution's strategic direction, university character, government strategies for global preservation and property elevation, quality management principles of customers focus, effectiveness, and efficient leadership in all levels, people engagement, process, approach, evidence-based decision-making, and relation management are observed. To ensure compliance with the commitment, relevant and responsive virtual and or physical monitoring, review and upgrading of service delivery and implementation.